I wanted to share with you guys what I was working on yesterday because I don't know about you, but I forgot about this function, and it's sad that I can't remember all the functions because Oracle and SQL, there are just so many functions at our disposal. So it's hard to remember all of them. So yesterday I was working on, I'm sure you probably already know, SSRS reports. I was writing a query to determine some calculations, but I wanted the criteria to show it for yesterday. But I wanted it to calculate yesterday, if today was Monday, as Friday, and not yesterday as Sunday. So weekday calculations of yesterday, and not the typical sys date minus 1. And I was thinking, okay, well, do I have to do sys date minus 1, hard code sys date minus 1, or with like some case functions, if day is Monday, then sys day minus 3. That was too much. You know, the point of SQL is to have as little code as possible. That's like the goal, to make good code, or part of the goal. Part of the goal. So I was trying to figure out how to create a function, and this is not PL SQL. This is, just plain SQL. So I was trying to figure out a way to calculate yesterday without using sys date minus 1, like I said, and to ignore weekends. So I came across next day function, and I completely forgot about next day. It's been a while since I've used it, so it actually came in really handy, and I'm going to explain it a little bit for those of you that don't know. Next day is, I'm going to show you. Next day is a function that returns the very next weekday of the date that's in the parameters of the function. So let me give you an example. Alright, so I wrote up a quick example for you guys. It's a little, I'm using my notes board, so excuse that and just pay attention to the example. So if you can see that, this is the next day function. It's because our question is, what is the very next Tuesday that comes after February 2nd of 2001. The reason it says 2001 is because I pulled this from the internet. It's such a great example. Why change it? The answer is February 6th, 2001. So that's a great way to calculate the next day instead of doing sys date minus 1 and hard coding, or even hard coding the date, because if you wanted to skip weekends, you can skip all your case functions and just use the next day. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Thumbs up the video if this was good information, if you forgot about the next day function as well, and subscribe if you want to know more when I come up with other things that I forget, or any other tutorials that you would like to see. Thanks for watching.